Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Odyssey remote battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for carefully prying open the remote case without causing damage. Most importantly, have a fresh CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery ready. This specific battery type powers many car remotes, ensuring your key fob functions perfectly after the swap. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam, usually on the side or bottom edge of the remote. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the remote case should begin to separate. Be patient and apply steady, light pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the case open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being careful not to scratch the internal components. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, insert your new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely snapped into place. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your remote, like locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors. Your Honda Odyssey remote should now be fully operational with its fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.